So, you've been trying to create a course to sell to grow your business, but you can't seem to find the time. Well, fret not, my friend, because in this video, I'm going to share with you the best actionable tips so you can find the time to create your online course even if you're a super busy coach or entrepreneur. Stay tuned until the end, and we promise that by the end of this video, you will have a foolproof plan to finally create your online course without sacrificing your busy schedule. Let's go. Hey friend, Myrra here. If you're new here, welcome. I'm a kingdom-driven entrepreneur, online course creator, and strategist and author, helping women coaches and entrepreneurs, perhaps like you, to multiply your income and impact and steward your God-given gifts. And so if you would like to get more videos on course creation, business, and faith-based personal development, consider subscribing below and hitting the notification bell so that you won't miss out on our new videos. So today we'll be addressing a common question that a lot of business coaches and entrepreneurs have asked. How do you actually find the time to create a course? Creating an online course can be incredibly rewarding, as it can help you get more of your time back, generate more income, and multiply your impact. But I'd be remiss if I don't tell you that it actually requires dedication and effective time management. So in this video, I'll share some practical tips to help you make the most of your time and successfully bring your course idea to reality. The first step in finding time to create your course is to set clear and realistic goals. Now, when I say realistic, it doesn't mean you don't have to think big and have faith for the impossible. I do believe that if God called you to it, He will give you the grace you need to get your course done in a surprisingly quick way with His supernatural ways. After all, in the Bible, it is said that His ways and His thoughts are higher than ours. Side note testimony, friends, by God's grace, I was able to finish writing my very first book and release it within a year. And also, when I created my very first online course, I was able to get it all done in a month, even when I procrastinated and made excuses for it for almost half a year. So all that being said, I just wanted to remind you that when God calls you to it, He will do the impossible. Watch Him come through. So set a goal on when you want your course done and ready to launch. Then once you do that, commit to the date and remind yourself of your deeper why. Why do you want to create an online course in the first place? Is it so you can finally lessen your one-on-one coaching time so you can spend more of your time with your kids? Or is it because you just found out that you're pregnant and you want to be able to build a passive income stream that makes money even when pretty soon you will be busy taking care of your newborn? So set clear goals, because having a well-defined goal and a clear why will help you feel motivated and have clarity throughout the process. The second tip is to prioritize and schedule. Time management is crucial when you're embarking on your course creation journey. So I suggest to analyze your daily schedule and identify the time blocks where you can dedicate to building your online course. So ask yourself, do you have time in between one-on-one coaching calls or some business tasks and work in order for you to create your course? Or do you have a few hours to set aside in the evening when the kids are already asleep, when you can actually dedicate that time to build your course? After doing so, list down your course creation task, prioritize what needs to be done when, and allocate specific amount of time in your week to actually work on that task. This is because if we are going to set a deadline for our tasks, we are more likely to actually get them done than say, I'll work on XYZ this week and not being able to find the time this week because it's very vague in general, right? So remember, the most important thing here is that you show up consistently to work on the tasks, even if it's just a few minutes a day or a few hours in a week. By the way, if you're getting value so far in this video, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button below and comment below. Where are you at in your course creation journey? Are you just getting started? Or are you already done with creating your course outline and curriculum, and maybe you're already starting to record your course lessons? So tell us in the comments below. Third tip is to eliminate time wasters. Be honest with yourself about the things that actually distract you in your daily routine. I'm telling you, when you set your mind into doing what God has called you to, the enemy will try to distract you. There's a saying that goes, if the enemy can't destroy you, he will distract you. So identify the activities or the things that you do on a daily basis that may not be essential and cut back on them during the course creation period. Social media, binge watching Netflix, excessive TV, or unnecessary meetings are common culprits. I know for me personally, I really get distracted by social media, Netflix, and YouTube Shorts. So those are the culprits in my life, and I try my best to really avoid them and fast on them if necessary when I do want to get things done. So by eliminating or minimizing these things, you will have more time to work on your course. Next tip is to try time blocking. Time blocking is where you dedicate specific time slots to particular tasks to ensure that you stay on track and avoid multitasking. For example, let's say you plan to batch record the course lesson videos for your Module 1 and you have 3 videos in that module. So you can set around 1 hour in your calendar in the weekend, which would give you around 20 minutes per lesson. And you can also do that again and again for the other modules. You can also block your time and set maybe around an hour designing your social media content to use to promote and market your online course. The key here is that you stick to the schedule that you created as much as you can and adapt it as needed. This will help you focus on the task at hand instead of feeling lost on what you should do when you finally sit down with the intention to work on your course. Tip number 5 is to leverage existing resources and delegate. Don't feel like you have to create everything in your course from scratch. There are a lot of existing resources and templates out there already that you can use to speed up the process in creating your course. You can even use Canva and check out their pre-designed slides, templates, and promotional graphics, social media graphics templates in there. Personally, for me, I also love the social media bundle template from Station 7 as number 1, they're really aesthetic, and 2, you can also use them to kind of brainstorm what kind of content, what kind of graphics you can put out once you're finally launching your course. So it kind of makes it easier for you to design and to brainstorm what kind of content to put out. So if you're interested to check that out, I will link it in the description box below. One thing I also suggest is you outsource the tasks that overwhelm you. This is where I usually come in for my clients when they reach out to me because they have all these wonderful course ideas, but they don't really have the time to figure out the tech for their course, to set up the pages and integrations for their online course, to design their course slides. Neither do they want to actually DIY and learn everything from scratch. If this is you, feel free to check out our services and how we can help you on our website, myrrakate.com, and get a quote from us or book a discovery call with us to explore your options. All these links will be linked in the description box below. Doing all of these will help you free up more of your time for your creative process and help you focus on your zones of genius, focus on recording your course content, and promoting your course so that you can get as many course sales as you want. Bonus tip number 6 is to stay flexible. Life, I know, can be unpredictable. And so there may be circumstances along the way that may force you to stop working on your course. Does that mean you immediately have to throw in the towel and give up? Nope, not at all. You have to keep going because there are many people out there who need what you have to teach, share, or offer. So remain flexible on your schedule. Don't beat yourself up if you miss a planned session or encounter some unexpected obstacles along the way. Instead, adjust your timeline accordingly and keep taking action. So there you have it, friends. But don't leave just yet. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe to our channel, and sign up for my newsletter for more course creation strategies. You can also watch this video next for you to learn how to finally stop procrastinating on creating your online course. That's it, my friends. Keep the faith and know that the best is yet to come. I'll see you in the next video.